Okay, so in this video, I'll be building an option strategy builder similar to TradingView if I can. The idea is to use AI to build this, and yeah, I mean, just going to try out some things, not going to build the whole thing today. But I did find API provider for getting the option prices, and I did a bit of digging on how to show the prices. So what I'll be doing now is logging in. Wait, maybe, yeah, I'm already logged in. Now, wait, instead of sharing my browser, let me share my screen. Hmm, wait, display capture. Okay, and let me kill this one. Okay, so this has to go above. Yeah. Okay, now the first thing is to understand how to use this. So there are basically some API keys which you can make. Um, okay, can then generate JWT tokens using a private key. These tokens can be shared with your customers, for example, front-end applications with short-lived expiration times defined with token itself. We will authenticate requests by checking if JWT token was signed by the private key or public key that you shared with us. Okay. So let's create one standard set test. Okay, I'll be disabling all these APIs once I'm done, but for now your API is ready. Okay, I've copied that. JWT key I don't need right now. Okay, now let's go see the developer docs. So before we start, we already know how to do this to a certain amount. Basically, okay, let me open TradingView. Supercharts. Let's take some Ethereum. Wait. Okay. Now, wait a minute. Options. Ethereum. Oh wow. It's actually available. Okay, ETH futures. These are kind of bad. I don't know. Anyways, we will take Bitcoin. and not look at options. We'll just try to create everything on our own. Okay. Now let's look at the documentation. But before that, we'll figure out exactly how the PNL is done. So basically, it says that for each simulated spot test today, for each leg, compute this, which is the theoretical price using Black-Scholes model. So, so this is the spot, K is the strike time to expiry, implied volatility, and then we can calculate V of S and then compute this leg and then sum across legs and then do plot as comma PNL. This uses IV directly. I mean, I like this, but I have some questions around this. So, do we need to calculate S of I and I ranges from some 0 to X? You must answer. If spot at this price, what would be the PNL be? So if S of 0 is 30,000, then you need S of I this. Yeah. Okay, so it has kind of figured out the whole thing for us. Okay, can we write a Python function which takes in the legs and then returns which we can use for plotting? So the idea is that we just need an array and we just display it. So spot price, what? Wait, so this takes spot price and then multiplies by some percentage to get minimum and maximum. And then it calculates step size. Okay, how many points should be there? And then it returns that grid. Okay, then take care. This is fine. This basically gives us the spot prices, but then we need the value. First we generate the spot and then we take current curve. So current curve is S comma current PNL. So compute current PNL will take the legs, which are all the option strikes that we have. Now and then expiry. Current time is now. Okay, this is good actually. Minimum strike and then the maximum strike, and then it'll calculate spot price, comma minimum strike, whichever is lesser. Okay, this is kind of the same thing. Smarter range based on strikes here. Important takeaway, SFI is not market data, it's simulation access. Yes, of course. And then we need to do this. This is the main thing. Okay, implement this also. According to implement current PNL according to Black-Scholes. Legs as now in expiring. Okay, legs, spotted point, time to expiry, IV, fallback. Wait, what is R? What's R? Oh, risk-free rate, which is zero. Okay, there's no risk-free rate for crypto. Okay, so it assumes that each leg tick should contain call or put, strike, the quantity, enterprise, and then the IV. No. We want the expiry to be as timestamp Unix, and it will be provided in the legs itself within the dictionary. I mean, we don't want to give different same expiry for everyone. It might be different, and it will be coming as part of this itself. Okay, takes the legs. Okay. Okay, I like this. Now all that's remaining is now given okay, now the main thing is the IV part, right? So it assumes that we know the IV, but we don't know the IV. Assume we have all except IV from an API call, then write a function to compute the IV, which we will use here. So this is again the same thing. It's kind of like a brute force method, I think. I'm not sure, but IV can be calculated from just these. Oh, we must also have options current market price. Okay. Okay. Market price is what? Okay, whatever. It's all in the same leg, so it doesn't matter. Hmm. Fetch option market price, fill IV for the legs, then plot current using legs with IV. Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. I like this. So now the only missing piece is okay. Now only the missing piece is getting the market price. So for this, we just need market price. Correct. Yes. So let's see how to get market price. Mm-hmm. Okay, options. No, wait. It's not. Okay, here. Ah, this is for exchange rates, which is not what we want. This gives us. Hmm. Let's see if it can. Whether we can get Gemini to do this. Uh, how to get market price for Bitcoin with the above API. I mean, it's kind of complicated, like, there is so much documentation. Okay, it's all historical data. Okay, get BTC USDT. I want exchange rate. Hmm. Okay, this is the real one. Let's see. Hmm. Wait, it was exchange rate. Oh yes, asset ID, asset ID code. Okay, let's try this. Copy this. Open terminal. And we paste this here. And we put our API key, which I'll be disabling after this. Wait. Oh no. I think once you create a key, you can't test key. I think once you create a key, you can't have it again. Wow. Let's see what comes. Insufficient usage. Wow. It was said that I can start for free. Liars. Wait. How to use Coin API for free? I was told that I can use for free. Wait. Okay. This is a bit sad. Should I do this? I mean, I don't need to do this right now because I just need the market price. Wait. Hmm. Okay. Wait, I know the market price. Wait. I just need. So I have an account called Delta Exchange, which I can use. Why buy this right now? I don't need to buy it. Alright, Delta Exchange. So I already have an account here, and I'll be just reusing that. Okay, it sent a mail. I need to open my mail. Okay. Wow, this website has changed so much. Okay, let's see. Options. Okay, strategy builder is on. Now, how do I go to analyze payoff? Wow, just amazing. Okay, here I can see the volatility right here. 8,700 strike. The volatility is 35.9%, and then the spot is at 8,9,795. Okay, so I'm going to take this. Okay, before that, what I want to happen is, if I take this, so let me create a new folder. Option strat crypto strategy builder. I'll just say crypto strat. It's kind of cool. Okay, now I open this. I will just move this somewhere because I need this. Okay, now I go here, I paste this. This is the Black-Scholes model, and I take this and then I paste it, and then I take, okay, take this and I paste it, and then I paste this. So I have all the main functions now. I want to input current legs from a text file, and the output should be a graph that shows the current payoff and payoff at expiry. Forgot to add. Let's open a new one. Also, the current market price will be given to you. Make sure to mention in README the structure of the input text file. Which will be a CSV format. Yeah, I think CSV format is easy to handle. Sending it Now we need to make something that's actually good, not something like this. So let me build one better. So if I'm going to I'll make something like this. Wait, why is it not showing me more strikes? Oh, this is expiring right now. Okay, let's say here highest is 9200. Sell. Here highest is 88,000. Sell and buy this. Buy this. Okay, now let's see the payoff graph. Where is that button? Oh, analyze payoff. This is so ridiculous. Oh yeah, but now we get something nice, which is what we want. Something like this. What is the total payoff here? At expiry 0.35 USD. This is actually a good graph, but I won't implement something like this for Bitcoin. This is just a test, guys. So, oh, it also shows you the OI that is max, but this UI really freaking sucks. What is this slider for? 2 days to expiry, and I can't even change it. Oh wait, 1 day to expiry. Okay. And if I put 0 days, it doesn't even update, dude. It updated. See, it doesn't do 0 days. It does only 1 day. Wow. Oh, 2 days to expiry. It's the opposite way around. Wow. 0 days to expiry, it is showing current, and 1 day to expiry, it's showing good. 2 days to expiry, it's showing 0 days to expiry. It's the other way around. Oh god, it's so bad. Okay, here anyways, what we want. Okay, so it wrote this program. Okay, input CSV format is basically type, side, strike, quantity, entry price, expiry, timestamp in Unix seconds, IV, market price. Okay, IV though we don't have. Both IV and market price are missing. Use IV fallback when running the script. I always have market price, but we need to calculate IV. Okay, so I think it does already that is. So let me copy this and create a new file called legs.csv and put it here. Yeah, install. Okay, now it shows me based on color. It's actually pretty good. The current market price right now is something, guys. This, and IV I don't have. Now, wait. Okay. First is PBTC. What is the expiry? Time to expiry is 2 days, 16 hours. That means it expires at midnight? No. Wait, 3rd Jan, when is it expiring? It's expiring in 16 hours. So that is almost. Okay, wait. When is expiry for Delta Exchange options? 5:30 p.m. IST. Okay. Jan 3rd, 2020. Sorry, what is it? Jan 5th. Is it Jan 5th? 5/1/26. Okay. Jan 5th, 2026. IV. Sorry. 2 Unix timestamp. Five 30 p.m. Okay, other options. Expiry now. Okay, now I do. Okay, put BTC 88. Put both are sell 88,001. 92,000 other, then same thing but buy 86,400 put and 93.6 call. Entry price give me anything, guys, it doesn't matter. Okay, 264 280. 264 280 10292 292. Save this, analyze payoff. Okay, I do see it. Now this is correct. I'll just take this latest value. Okay, now I run this. Arey yaar, where did it go? Hmm. Okay, now I need to run this terminal, new terminal. Okay, hope this works in one shot. Current price 9,001. I mean 90,001. Okay. Okay. Before we do that, Python 3 -m. We should make wait. Huh. Do all the requirements and then we run it. I mean, if we can get something like this, I'm happy. Fingers crossed. No such file called lex.csv. What? Oh, rename. What is happening here? We have given everything. Enterprise expiry. Only IV we don't know. Oh, it's saying unable to solve. Why? So the implied volatility is not able to calculate IV? It actually did a great job with building this. So this is what is creating the problem. Basically, this function is not able to find an IV. Wait. The IV solver is falling because the market price values in are out of arbitrage bonds. Right now they are, which looks like the underlying spot, not the option premium. For a call price, market price can't exceed spot. What? Oh, oh, I understand. Oh my god, I've been doing it wrong. So this is the market price for these options, not. My god. Which don't even show up here. Whoa. ठीक है ठीक है. Um, this is such a bad. This is the worst strategy build I have seen. But anyways, let's take the market price. Call 92,000. Call 92,000 is currently at 266.4. Hmm. Wait. 270.2. 270.2 and 88. Wait, let me. No. Let me write the other one also. 93,600. 90.9. And then 88. 88,000 and 86,400. 88,000 is 259.8. And this is 86,400. 97.6. Okay. Now, okay, I did get. Oh, it's actually pretty good. Um, this graph is not useful. I think it's calculating this too wide, but did a good job. I'm pretty impressed. Wait, it's because. So we take this. The number of points is too large right now. So if you just adjust that, it'll actually give us lesser points. We generate spot grid this only. Is calculating number of steps. Who call this? By default, it's 121 points. Wow. But let's see. Hyphen steps. Say 15. Smaller. 20. Wait, each time, why is it? Why is the chart going lower? I think the multiplier is not correct. Ninety-two 350 and this side is 87649. Oh, I see. The number of points has to be same. Only then I get a clearer output. Ooh, that's what it means. So the number of points I calculate. PCT range, I don't need this much. I just need plus 0.1. 0.05. Oh wow, it's actually working now. Current PNL 8.5. So that means I'm doing something with. Mm, See, the problem is I don't know much about BTC. Wait, I mean, it's easy to calculate, right? I in total got 264 plus 280, and then I subtract whatever I sold. So 65.75 minus 50.26. 65.75 minus 50.26. Yeah, I mean, this is my profit, right? Uh, oh, it's 0.001 BTC. That's the quantity. So if I change it, it will give me the correct answer. Point not one. What is EST price? This is BTC, damn it. I don't understand. How is. Wait, let's go to expiry. Okay, both of them will go to 0. So I'll get 0.26, which is correct. 0.27, 0.34. And this 0.24. Okay, here I am getting 0.35 at expiry, 0.07 Saturday, today. Let's update the values one more time. Maybe 90,030. And here 93.0. Wait, this is the part that I don't understand. 92.5 and 279. Other one is 96.3. Two hundred 9.3. Okay. 0. What is projected PNL? Okay. Okay, so current, it's actually showing correct. It's making 0. But if we can predict in future correctly, Oh, I can already do that. Now TS. You can already do this, and the value is wait now. Okay, now they decided a future TS. Fourth Jan 2026, 5:30 p.m. IST in Unix. Let's see if this gives us what we want. Oh wow! Wow, it's actually good. So as you can see, it takes quite some time to do this computation. It's heavy on future panel 0.24, and here it's showing 0.23. Wow, really happy with this. So this will be the boilerplate to build something like this, right? I mean, this is already there. It's not like it's not there. I can literally build this trading view option strategy builder. So I can already see this nifty. So smooth. I think that's the part which everyone likes, that it's so smooth. To build something like this is actually kind of difficult because calculating the IV percentage is a bit challenging. Strategy finder. Reward divided by risk highest. Feb 24. Hmm. Let's try this. Wait, but this has. What is risk-free rate for Nifty? 7.5%. What do others use? So Sensible is one of the platforms. Okay, we use a fixed interest rate at 10%. This is what standard normal globally traders follow, or Black-Scholes model. So basically everyone uses 10%. Great. Yeah, but this API is not cheap, dude. It's kind of expensive only. But things do work. But there are no free tools out there for. There's something called crypto options. No. Options, crypto. No. Wow. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm going to end the stream now. Thanks for watching, whoever has followed along. But yeah, it's a very simple script. Basically, you calculate how much spot you want, and then you calculate the IV. Once you have all the IVs, then you can calculate the Greeks. And once you have the Greeks, you can use it to plot the graph. It's actually pretty simple to make, but there is only one problem, which is that how will I the time complexity for this is actually kind of bad. See, what is the time complexity for calculating IV? What is max tier? So this is the max address 100. So number of legs into max address. So it's okay. It's not that bad. It's not that bad actually. Hmm. So if I have to build something like this, I have to make sure, and the pricing of these options are also kind of expensive. Wait, where is that? Bro, why are they not giving me free credits? Okay, I just need market data, right? Oh, now do I have? Now do I have? Wait. Dude, give me free, man. Let's say you will use 2500 REST API credits in one day. First 1000 credits will be priced at 5.26 per 1k credits. Final 1500 REST API credits will be priced at 2.63k dollars per 1k credits. Let's say you have 15,000. Oh, the higher you use, the cheaper it gets. Hmm. This is quite expensive, dude. Like, if I take 1 GB of data, 1 GB per day, then I have to pay $8 per GB. And this is for streamer, which is $250. Wow, this is not a viable route. Does BTC free API for crypto prices? Okay, no, this one is not at all free. Let's see this. The ultimate free crypto API for everyone. Okay, it's actually good. Okay, this is way better. Yeah, let's see if we can use this to build it. And then I will put it out there for everyone to use. Which will be better than this shit, that's for sure. This one is very bad. This one is very good. I like it. Wait, what if I change this to 89,000? Hmm. Hmm. Still zero. I understood. Because those values are not right. Okay. Anyway, I like it. I like it. So we will be sending only BTC prices, and I think all these calculations can be done in the front end. Yeah, I mean it's not very intensive. If I do all those calculations in back end, it will take forever. So it's better not to, and instead calculate all of them on front end and only have one WebSocket which will be streaming the BTC prices. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. I don't know if I'll continue this series anymore, but if you guys support or comment in the description, I might continue this series because see, if someone is going to watch it, I'll definitely continue and I'll be motivated. But if no one is going to support, then I think this is the natural end of this series, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.